Hey guys, it's Donnie from Currie Ford at Valpo, and today we're going to be taking a look at the difference between this 2023 ROUSH Bronco and this 2023 Black Diamond Bronco with the Sasquatch package.
So looking at the front of the 2023 Ford Bronco, we have the big LED lights up front here as well as your marker lights. The Ford Bronco badging on the front, and this comes with the Sasquatch package. So it comes in with a modular front bumper with your 2 tow hooks and a skid plate on the bottom. And on top here we have your tie downs that are 150 pounds each for a total of 300 pounds of towing. Taking a look under the hood here, we have Ford's 2.7 liter V6 twin turbo engine that outputs 330 horsepower and 415 foot-pound of torque. If you follow me down here, with the Sasquatch package you get 17-inch gloss black aluminum rims with Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires. Let me show you something cool. Behind the tire here we actually have position sensitive dampers by Bilstein. On the back here we have a full-size matching spare tire as well as your backup camera, your modular steel bumper right there. If we go on the inside, pop this open. You have your hooks as well as a little bit of room for the back. Just pop this down. And there's that.
We take a look at the front of this ROUSH 2023 Bronco. We've got the same LED headlights up here, gray grille, as well as your 2 tow hooks here and here. If we take a step around the side of the vehicle, you'll notice a ROUSH badge right here on the front of the quarter panel, as well as 2 diode dynamic SS3 Pro LED pod lights right here as well as on the other side. ROUSH banner across the top. And if we take a step down here, you'll notice the 17-inch ROUSH Iridium gray wheels wrapped in 35-inch General Grabber tires with a 2-inch BDS suspension lift. The ROUSH Bronco does come with hoop steps right here that make getting into the vehicle super easy. Under the hood of the ROUSH Bronco, we've got ROUSH's cold air intake feeding Ford's 2.3 liter inline 4 EcoBoost engine. It's outputting 300 horsepower and 315 foot-pound of torque. Now, with the ROUSH cold air intake, that's also going to increase your output just a little bit. If you look here, you'll notice a ROUSH banner spanning the entire length of the vehicle, all the way up to the very front, right next to their badge. Around the back side of the ROUSH, we've got a full-size matching spare right here, as well as your tow camera here. Jack Roush signature on the back, as well as your ROUSH plate frame down here. Take a look inside, we've got all kinds of goodies in here. First off, the ROUSH off-road recovery package. It's got a tow strap, D-rings, gloves, and a light right here. We've got a first aid kit that comes with your Bronco, as well as your roadside assistance kit, also included with your Bronco, as well as this nice bag here that's designed to keep your T-tops nice and safe when you've got them off the vehicle. Underneath the Bronco, we've got ROUSH's high clearance, lightweight axle back exhaust right here. And on the driver's side, we've got that same ROUSH banner spanning the entire length of the vehicle. And my favorite part about every ROUSH vehicle, the directional American flag right here. And one really cool feature of the ROUSH Bronco is you have this steel in-console vault that's going to keep all of your goodies safe while you're off-roading.